Hi, and welcome to Math Plus Everything Journey. Today we are going to go over a proportional reasoning problem. So before we do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel for more math videos and also turn on your notification to know when I post videos. All right, let's get into this problem. The problem says, it cost Chloe $17.70 to send 177 text messages. How much would it cost to send 98 text message? So for this problem, we're going to set up a proportion. Before we set up a proportion, we got to find out how we're going to set this up. So how are we setting it up? It says Chloe have $17.70 to send 177 text messages. The question is asking, how much would it cost to send 98 text message? How much would it cost to send 98 text message? So we know we're going to take cost per text. Why cost per text? Because it's asking us how much would it cost to send 98 texts. So 98 texts. So how much did it cost? One text cost how much dollars? Two texts would cost how much dollars? So we're going to set up this proportion. So the proportion is cost or dollars. So dollars per text. And remember, when you set them up a proportion, you have to put an equal. It's like you're saying two ratios are equal each other, right? Dollars per text. So now we could fill this out. So we do not know how much it costs for 98 texts. So we have our unknown, and we're going to use a variable for our unknown. We're going to use our variable for an unknown, and we're going to use x. So our unknown is the text, and we're going to use x. So let's fill this out. What is the dollar amount? The dollar amount is $17.70. So we're going to write a proportion. So dollar goes on the numerator, so it's $17.70. And in the denominator is the text amount, which was 177. So 177, right? So that's what we know. So now we're going to write the text amount that we're going to find. Our unknown is our x, and we want to know 98. How much it cost to send 98 texts. So here we have our proportion, and we could go ahead and when we have a proportion, we cross multiply or multiply the product. There's more than one way. In math, there's more than one way to do math. So we are going to cross multiply. So we have 177 times x, and we have $17.70 times 98. So let's go. So we have $17.70 multiply by 98, and that's going to be equal to 177 multiplied by x. So 177 multiplied by x. So when we have my calculator, clear it out. So we have $17.70 multiplied by 98. We're going to get 1,734.6. So we're going to get 1,734.6 is equal to 17 multiplied by x. 177 multiplied by x is just 177 x. So we're not done yet, so we have to solve for x. We isolate x. So we're going to divide. Remember the inverse operation. The inverse of or the opposite of multiply is division. So here we do 177, and we're going to divide it by both sides, right? So we just undid the undo the multiplication by using division, and we're going to simplify. So this left with our x is equal to, we have 1734, and we're going to divide by 77, 177, and that's going to be equal to 9.8. So it's 9.8. So our unknown is 9.8, which we said it was our text before. So it's 9.8. So it will cost $9.80 to send 98 texts. So it will cost $9.80 to send how many? 98 texts. Messages. So there you have it. So the question says, how much would it cost to send 98 texts? We did it. It says the unknown was the text amount. So it says $9.80 to send 98 texts. There you have it. Again, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you as usual, and I appreciate you guys.